So I've had this 360 camera for a long time. I use it for my skateboarding channel. I set it on a tripod and just film skateboarding without walking around or moving. I don't have like a selfie stick or anything I use, but I got this selfie stick that is 9 feet long, it's 3 meters. And we're gonna test it out to try and get some kind of like drone shot over this field. And then I might try it out a few more places for this video too. So let's do it. All right, so we've got this thing now. Let's test. That was actually a lot of fun running with this thing. It was so fun, I had to actually go in and check out the footage, and it looks really good. It's stable. I was running with this thing in this field. I mean, that looked good to me. This is $40 to $45. I'll have a link in the description so you guys can see exactly how much it is. So go through that link, buy one of these for your Insta 360. It's a squirrel. And I'm gonna test out some more lenses out here for the A7 III. So stay tuned for that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.